Welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild and another duckling edition. Hello little duckies! Look how big they are getting. Hey you lot! Some of them are getting quite independent now, which is quite lovely to see. Hey! Hey Miss Evie! And Miss Evie leaves them for a little bit of time so she can go and lay more eggs. But this time they're not going to be fertile. And hello little Minnie. What are you doing little mums? And look at the feathers coming through. Aren't they beautiful? And Miss Evie gets them into so much mischief, don't you? And hello Biff, what have you got? Hey? Well, last night we had loads of rain, and of course yesterday we had masses of rain as well. And so I had to have the little short ones, the shorter ones, in my room with me. But this is an improvement on the clouds that we had this morning. So you never know, we might actually get some sunshine at some stage. And everyone's eating at the moment. Hello guineas! Hello! And we have these naughty creatures, hello naughty creatures, who are now covered in water instead of porridge like they were this morning. Hey guys! So they're quite happy. I think they were bored with my bedroom and pooing all over my bed. Hey! But we did have a nice time sitting. They were all sitting on my knee and they were watching the news on TV. Well, I don't have a TV, so it was the laptop. Hey monkeys! So it's nice to have my bedroom ducklingless for a few hours. And I can air it out and get rid of the little duckling smell. Oh my gosh, I've forgotten how much ducklings smell. Hello sweetheart. They just love their lettuce. Hey monkeys! Oh good grief, what are they fighting over? Oh, they're funny little things. And I better go and clean their water because it's gross. Ducklings have the grossest water. Oh, hello, you on that rock? Wow. Oh, another duckling on a rock. Splat on the rock. Oh, don't eat that, you grotty creatures. Oh, they're such little time wasters. I can waste all my time with them. Right, I'm gonna go and get some clean water because that's gross. Nice clean water. Come on guys. we've got a bit of sun. That felt nice. We need some more of that. Hey duckies. cuties. Gorgeous wee things. At least the sun's come out now properly. Feels good. And this lot have discovered the joys of the deck. So our deck is now covered in poo, isn't it? Yes, it is. Hey guys. It's so big. Hey monsters. So yes, we've become the deck monsters, haven't you? Yes, you have. So that's about it for now, I think. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about animals, stay wild about little ducklings. Hello little ducklings. And please like and subscribe and leave us a comment because we'd love to hear from you. So until next time, bye bye, stay wild.